Hey. Yes, we're over here talking about our fantastic clothes, but let's segue back into what we're supposed to be talking about. It's Heroes Weekend, and a lot of you are headed to the North Coast if you aren't already there. But let's talk about the real reason for the weekend, the heroes. How well do you know your national heroes? Well, we've got a game of fast fact charades. Yeah, you know charades, right? So both of us have a few pictures, well, all four of us have pictures of the national heroes there in this bag. Alternately, without words or sounds, we have to give our best impersonation of the heroes so that others can guess. It's a team thing, right? So, you ready?
Myself.
So then if it's a team thing, I should be over there and then she should be over here. So that we can,
switch.
oh, okay, switch.
So,
You start first? Okay, all right, go on.
Oh, that one not easy. You looking?
I'm looking. Nanny! Nanny, queen of the maroons.
Okay. Yes.
Catch that so easy.
What do you mean?
She get shot and she catch a bullet with her bottom. What is this?
Okay, so the fact of Nanny. Nanny of the Maroons is the only female national heroine in Jamaica. She's remembered for the inspiration she gave to her people in fighting English oppressors in the early 18th century.
Yeah.
Legend has it that she possessed superhuman power.
Yes, and she had a really big bottom, that's a legend. But why? Yeah, man. Yeah, good stuff. You want to go for your teammate? Or you want to go first?
You go.
That's one.
Why you look so
nervous.
Can't deal. Let's take it for the team.
That odd? It's odd.
Is how I should.
Can't take it from her.
No, you can't. No!
Me forget to
You must guess.
It's your teammate.
It's your
If you
team.
watch you, make sure you know.
Okay.
No words.
Today here. Yeah, what police? I stop it. Yeah, what traffic cop?
I think I get it. That's odd, you know, just looking over here from over there.
That look like... That's almost the lawyer. Oh, that looks like, no. That is that, no, man.
Can you give me a hint?
No, Sam Sharp.
Yes.
Sam Sharp. The hand. I just touch him, I see the hand. No, but
Read it.
You have to read it.
All right. So Samuel Sam Sharp, also called Daddy Sharp, was a deacon at the Burchell Baptist Church in Montego Bay. In 1831, he led the Christmas Rebellion, which started at Kensington Estate in St. James and then spread throughout the western end of the island.
All right, good stuff. But you got it though. All right, my time.
me check say what's police then some finance minister.
Paul Bogle.
Wow.
You know what this is? What is this? No, what's this? The statue. There you go.
Go on again.
So, Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle was a deacon of the Native Baptist, all of them are Baptists, in Stony Gut, St. Thomas, Jamaica. Paul Bogle spent much of his time educating and training the members of his congregation and is credited with initiating the so-called Moran Bay Rebellion in 1865.
You know, I'm going to admit, I was nervous.
You were nervous?
Yes, I never get it right.
Oh, we nervous too now, because you know how it stay. You ready up?
Yeah.
You
You go on again.
No, and that's how it goes.
No.
Take out one.
I'm trying this. Okay, I look over there back too.
Go ahead, you can.
Okay. Ready?
Alexander Bustamante.
Oh,
You got it?
that was good.
Alexander Bustamante.
Yes.
Yes! Leo, right!
How did you guess that?
From him.
How did you guess that?
So from
From
do
the
this,
hair.
and then,
Yeah.
and then him do this.
Yeah.
Jill.
Shower. Alexander Bustamante founded the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, the BITU, in 1938 and was also the founder of the Jamaica Labour Party, the JLP. He became the Jamaica's first prime minister in 1962 and died, unfortunately, in 1977.
Okay. But there's only one. How much left? 1, 2, 3. How much have left? How much have
Two.
left?
Or three.
3 more. One, dating. All right.
Jeez,
That's odd. Oh gosh. What? Money. $10. Sam Sharp.
No.
Oh, what?
Norman Manley. No.
See,
We can guess.
see everybody guess we can't know.
We can guess.
Oh yeah, guess.
We can guess.
Yeah, guess
Or
man.
one
Hold on
again.
with it.
Let me see who.
We make it family. Who
Let
that?
me see if you name right. Wait. All right. Ready? No?
You don't know who either, right? I don't know what he say. $10?
Paul Bogle? No.
No, man. Paul Bogle gone already.
Yeah,
Norman Washington
somebody.
Manley.
No.
Norman Washington Manley.
Alexander.
All right.
No, man.
It's
It easy.
George
George William Gordon.
George
George
William
William
Gordon.
Gordon. George William Gordon.
I couldn't remember him.
George William Gordon.
$10? What about the $10?
George William. At 10
And the
cents.
glasses. At $10.
At
He's on the
$10.
$10.
Oh, we still pay $10.
You have $10?
Me also have
Please.
George William Gordon,
The money
the
let's
son of
win
a
again.
planter and one of his female slaves,
Oh, the glasses.
was born at Cherry Garden Estate in St. Andrew. In 1865, when the so-called Morant Bay Rebellion broke out, Gordon was arrested for conspiracy, probably because he was a member of the same Baptist section that Paul Bogle belonged.
Politics.
Ready up.
You couldn't get that.
We all couldn't get
Easy
it.
now.
Realize everybody
Get
was like,
easier.
Oh boy.
there's only one left. Burger man, I
Oh,
put the
McKeon.
others with the last one. Yeah, everybody I guess know, right? Don't look.
Up, mighty race.
Marcus Garvey, if it's up your material.
Ship.
Fly? Fly? What about hero who fly?
I'm going to say the airport shot, Emily.
Norman Manley.
Norman
Manley.
I got it.
NMIA.
Well, you know what the other
All right.
one is gonna be, right? Of course you know who the other
No,
one
I
is.
don't want
I need to read. All right,
part.
so
Wait, just read it.
Norman Washington Manley, founder of the People's National Party, was born in 1893 in Roxborough, Manchester, my place. He was a brilliant scholar, athlete, lawyer, and politician.
Just
All
come,
right.
son.
Come on, guys. Wanna know who the other person is, right? I
Yes.
don't have to tell you anything, right?
We do.
Of course you do. Who is he?
Paul Bogle.
Shut up.
And him one left.
No, he went already.
He went
Who's
already.
left?
No,
You just said it.
Marcus
Up.
Garvey. Marcus
Thank
Garvey.
you.
Marcus Garvey.
That's why it never made no sense. Up, you right to me. So, born in
No, you have to
80.
do the gesticulation. What you doing?
Can I do a ship? Like for the black stuff?
Let's do this.
Up you might read?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, born in 1887 in the parish of St. Anne, Marcus Garvey was famous worldwide as a leader. His call was for the improvement of black people. In 1914, he founded the UNIA, the Universal Negro Improvement Association, which grew into an international organization that still exists in Jamaica, the United States, and a number of other
And to be
countries.
noted, he was the first, he was conferred the first national hero
Yeah, man.
of Jamaica.
Yep.
Yeah.
These are our national heroes, for those of you who don't know. All right, go. Read a little bit.
Forgotten.
Let's learn.
Remember the reason for the season.
Yeah, and not just party down on the coast. And
You see
dance
this
to some
one?
music.
She's the only national hero without a surname. What's her surname?
Queen
of the Maroons. We still come back.
Look now, as someone just say another sense.